see the Field of Dreams movie site is right down there. All right, my dog Holland and I are going to have an epic race around the actual Field of Dreams baseball field in Dyersville, Iowa. And now entering the field is Adam Vosding, the traveling food dude. And now entering the field is Holland the pup, the world famous traveling sports dog. Adam, the traveling food dude, and Holland the pup are both sporting their Tampa Bay Rays gear. And here we go. They are off. Adam, falls behind. Holland is going back into the outfield while Adam is going to second base. They are rounding second base and coming into third. Adam has a pretty good lead. Oh no, here comes Holland the pup. Look at her go. She has got some fire in her now. But does she have enough to catch up? Oh no, she's running. I don't know where she's going, but Adam's coming home. And Adam crosses home plate first. And Holland is still wandering around somewhere. So let's throw her a stick. And she crosses home plate. That was really cool. The Field of Dreams in Iowa, representing our Tampa Bay Rays.